Hello and welcome to this fifth video in the playlist What to do with $50. In the previous video, I mentioned that the prices are in a downtrend and should retrace up for at least 2 weeks before starting to go down. On the 2nd of June, entered a buy order with a lot size of zero point 0.5 around the gold price level 1243. Since my understanding of the gold price movement was for it to go down, entered a stop loss for safety. Typically, when I enter a stop loss, it definitely means that either I have no clue about the gold price movement or I expect to be away from the computer during the ideal time band. Mostly it is a former than the later. The gold price was moving sideways till the 3rd. When it peaked on the 3rd around the ideal time band, the moving averages and Fibonacci levels indicated the downtrend again. Hence, closed the order with a profit of $18. The prices did go down but only to do a double bottom and retrace up again. On the 3rd of June, went against my basic trading rule, buy low, sell high, and entered a sell order, in fact two sell orders, when the gold price was near a low zigzag. The gold price actually moved only sideways, and when it peaked on the 4th around the ideal time band, decided to enter a stop loss, which typically meant I did not have any clue about the gold price movement. And losing an account after $1,000% profit growth just 2 weeks back created a fear in my mind that the prices are going to shoot up anytime. Prices did shoot up on the 6th, only after going down for a while, which would have made a profit of around $50, but could have wiped out the account if I hadn't closed the order with a loss. Better to lose a few dollars than to lose the account. Hence, closed my order with a loss of around $20 even before the gold price triggered the stop loss. Since prices were near high zigzag on the 5th, entered a sell order with a lot size of around of zero point 0.5 around the gold price level 1253. Prices did go down the next day, taking the account profit close to $40. But prices retraced so much on the 6th that the final profit was around $5. Still believe that the bigger trend is down, but unsure about the upward retracement. We'll have to wait for the price movements next week. We'll meet you next Sunday with the update on my next week's trade.